to use voice command to take a selfie or record a video on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and any other Samsung device. First of all, open the camera on your Samsung device. Now tap the setting gear icon at the top left corner. Here you can find the shootings method. Here you can see the shooting method under the general section on your camera settings. Tap the shooting methods. Here you can see the voice commands. Take a picture by saying smile, seize, capture or shoot, or record the video by saying the record video option. So make sure to toggle on this option to use the voice command to take a selfie photo or a record a video on your device. Let's see the example and use voice command to capture the selfie or record video. So open the camera on your device and say the cheese or smile.
Smile.
Now you can see the take a photo. You can also take a selfie using this.
Smile. Cheese.
Now you can see automatically capture the photo to say only smile, cheese, or you can also record the video also. Just tap on the video and say record a video.
Record a video.
Now you can start the recording video. So quite helpful feature. You can use the voice command to record the video and take a selfie using this feature. That's it. If you like it, share it.